Hello everybody, it's me Caleb back to another video, and I'm here and I'm finally back home and I'm not sick anymore. So today I'm going to be showing you what my experience was today. So alright, so I'm back and this is my tornado spinner. Let me just get back. Hold on, say hello to my beautiful Mrs. Doggy. Hello. And Mr. Doggy's right in front of her. What the heck is he doing? So anyway, this is what the inside of the thing looks like. Careful, I didn't drop my tablet. Okay, so let me show you how it spins. So it was like you were in a real tornado, right? So this is what it looks like.
That's Paul Walker. That's Walker. What is that noise over there?
What are you talking about? So, what do you think? Does this look real or does it look fake? Tell me in the comments below. I'll be checking on my mom's phone if it would that be. Hey, here comes Mrs. Dog. Hello, Mrs. Dog. Okay, yeah? Hold on. So anyway, yeah, that's what it looks like. But anyway, thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time. Toodles.